Is it recording? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Rylan.
Huh?
Come here a minute, son.
Rylan,
quickly.
Quick.
Pause it.
Come here a minute. Come here. Just the thing. Sit on Mum's lap. Well, I've got the headphones in still. Sit on Mum's lap. You're not going to believe it. Who do you see? Who do you see, Rylan?
Bobby.
Who?
Bobby.
Bobby?
Yeah.
Take the
Who is in the... Who do you see? Do you see you?
Yeah.
Who else?
I see Bobby.
Oh, you want to see Bobby?
Yeah.
Right, well, you're not going to see Bobby. You can just see us. So, who's there? Is it Amber?
Amber.
Who else? Who am I?
Mommy.
Who's there?
May.
And who else?
Dozen.
Tristan?
Yeah. That's Mommy.
Who else?
Who's that?
Who's that?
Lemon chicken.
That's Rylan. Spit that out. What is it?
Manon.
That's Spider-Man.
Yeah.
Put it on your finger.
Who's that? Look, he's in the camera. Who's that?
Do you really like him? Are you going to play with him all the time now? Good boy. Love you.
Spider-Man.
Say bye, Spider-Man.
Is he shooting his webs? Is he flying?
Yeah.
Whee! He's going higher and higher with his webs. Oh no.
Right then, Mummy is absolutely shattered and it's only 4:15. 4:15. Bye, Spider-Man. Look, put him up there, look. Spider-Man.
Bye.